Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I would love to show you a very quick sort of TV food snack, right? Something simple and easy. If you have any sort of cravings for something just spontaneously, that's what we will do today and you will love it. Let's come over here and I'll show you what it will be. Okay, for this party snack we will use today almonds. Whole almonds, yeah, we're putting them in a bowl, so this is a good start, right? And yeah, we want to flavor them a little bit more, okay, today. So the next step will be, all right, I use gluten-free soya sauce, right? And now we drench our almonds nicely in the sauce and really mix it very well and coat them all in the soya sauce. We do not leave it too long in it. All right, our marinated almonds. Now I have a slotted spoon, obviously. Yeah, we spread them nicely on our baking tray, which I laid out with parchment paper, silicone paper, and all this one will go in the oven 160 degrees for 10 minutes. All right. Okay. Our almonds, they are 10 minutes in the oven. Yeah, and nicely marinated. Now to get them nicely in our bowl here, the easy trick is, because this parchment paper will be not that hot, right? So we take this one here, whoop-de-whoop, right? And pour it nicely in here. So if they're coming off nicely. Okay, so this is the next easy step. The following, now we give it an additional seasoning. Okay, what I put in is a wattle seed and dukkha spice and a little bit of Himalayan cracked sea salt. And now we toss it nicely through. Yeah, and believe it or not, that's the whole seasoning of our almonds, and we make the presentation. So this is our very quick, as I said, TV party snack food, right? Roasted almond with gluten-free soya sauce, and I used, as I said, a nice Himalaya sea salt and wattle seed dukkha. And this, when you serve them warm, that's very nice. But one thing I like to tell you is, I was just recently in South Africa, and I came across this beautiful desert salt from the Kalahari Desert. If you get a hands on this one, oryx salt, you must have. Such a difference between the sea salt and the desert salt. On that note, thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time. Oh, nice.